Breaking news tonight from Washington and the front lines of the evolving conflict in the Middle East. President Trump, Secretary of State Marco Rubio revealed that Iran was building a conventional shield of drones and missiles to avoid accountability. This shield was designed to make their nuclear facilities untouchable. The president made the call to wipe it out. But a massive question remains: the Strait of Hormuz. With the oil supply cut off, global gas prices are soaring. Trump has issued a clear message to allies: the responsibility to reopen shipping lanes lies with them. Quote, "Go get your own oil." Meanwhile, Israel is establishing a permanent security buffer zone in southern Lebanon, stretching to the Litani River. Experts say this zone will serve as a mobile and aggressive launching point to ensure Hezbollah can never return to the border. We will bring you the president's address live tomorrow night. Subscribe to USA News for more updates on Operation Epic Fury.